a quick mnemonic for the Ashta Samskar of Parada in details. Now, what are Ashta Samskar? That is, they are the special 8 pharmaceutical procedure to purify the Parad. That is why it is known as Ashta Samskar. So, going with the mnemonic, we can remember the 8 names of the Ashta Samskar with the help of this mnemonic. Samurchita Parad Niyam Se. So Samurchita means to amplify or integrate something, and Parad means mercury, Niyam se. Niyam means any kind of procedure or rules. So we'll be remembering this word, that is the Samurchita Parad Niyam se, while each word will be signifying the following. The Ashta Samskar are Swedan, Mardan, Murchan, Uttapan, Patan, Rodhan, Deepan and Niyaman. So we can remember it. Firstly, the word Samurchita, it starts with S. So S stands for Swedan. Next, we have 2 M here. The first M will be denoting Mardan, whereas the second M will be denoting Murchan. Also, you can remember the name of the Murchan with the help of these two also, that is Sammu. You can see there that there is U after M. So, totaling to Moor. So, there is Moor and also Moor. Murchana. So, basically it is same. And next, the letter U will be signifying Uttapan. Next, we will be turning into next word, that is Parad, where P stands for Patan and also R. The next letter, that is the R, will be denoting Rodhan, and also the last letter, that is the D, will be denoting Deepan. And the last word, that is Niyam, means any kind of rule, will be denoting the entire, it is the most easy to remember, that is the Niyaman. So Niyam. Thus, again repeating, Samurchita Parad Niyam se, where the first letter S will be denoting Swedan, the next letter M will be denoting Mardan, the next letter or the next 2 letters, that is Mu or the M, will be denoting Murchan, the U will be denoting Uttapan, P or the PA, either P or PA will be denoting Patan Samskar, the next letter, that is R, will be denoting Rodhan, D will be denoting Deepan, and the last entire word, that is Niyam, which is most easy to remember, stating Niyaman. So I hope this is beneficial for you. Thank you.